All right, this video is on symmetry of graphs. There are two different types of symmetry when we're talking about a graph. It's either even symmetry or it's odd symmetry. If it is even, it has y-axis symmetry. Okay, so that means I can take it and I can fold it across the y-axis and it matches up. So this is a folding symmetry. Odd. Odd is a rotational symmetry. It means it has origin symmetry. So first, it has to pass through the origin. And then second, it is rotational. So this one looks a little bit funny. That is a graph with odd symmetry. Take it. If I rotate this piece around, it matches up perfectly on top of the other piece. Now, I'm not an artist, so this one doesn't look completely perfect, but it's close enough. So put a doorknob at your origin and spin it. It matches up on top of itself. So that's how we tell by looking at a graph. If you can fold it over the y-axis, it's even. If it passes through the origin and it rotates around on top of itself, it's odd. If it doesn't have either one of these things, then it's neither. All right, most graphs do not have any symmetry at all. Now, how to look at them from an equation. If it's even, all exponents are even. This one can have a constant term. Constant terms are numbers that do not have variables behind them. It can have a constant term. Odd. Well, as the name says, all exponents are odd. This one can't have constant terms. If it is a mix of these two different things, it has some even exponents and odd exponents, then it's neither. If it is all odd exponents and a constant term, it is neither. So let's look at a couple of example problems. If you don't have these notes down, please take a second, pause, and get them. All right, so an example problem. 6x to the fourth. Look only at the exponents. We do not care about the numbers. So an exponent of 4, that is even. An exponent of 2, that is even. It is a constant term. Okay? So even, constant term. All exponents are even. Evens can have a constant term, so this is even. Again, only look at the exponents. Exponent is odd. Exponent is odd. Right here, this one doesn't have an exponent, but it's an understood one. So that's also odd. All exponents are odd. So this is an odd symmetry function. A couple more of example problems. Look at your exponents, odd, even, and then again, odd. This is neither. It has a mix of evens and odds, so it's neither. This problem. Take a second, look at it, see if you can figure out what it is. Look at your exponents, odd, 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 constant term. Odds cannot have constant terms, so this is neither. All right, hopefully that helped you figure out symmetry of graphs by looking at a graph, also by looking at an equation.